Okay, so we back in the girl cave. Okay, so let me show you where I'm at so far. Let me come over here by the door. Okay. The legs still aren't on. As you can see, they're right there. Today is the day that he's going to put them on for me. And I took some of you guys' advice. So here's what I'm going to do. When you put the legs on, right, it's going to lift this up, okay, which will clear this. So he has this little thing that you put over this, and it pulls the air this way out. It's like a plastic piece so that the air doesn't just go underneath the piece. It actually comes up and then pushes it out. Number one, right? So when the legs go on, I am going to slide these two pieces together over this. But I have to wait for the legs so that the air or heat can come forward as opposed to up. Got me? Okay, so these two pieces will slide together, center in the middle, so that when I put my TV there, it'll be like boom, boom in the center. That's that. These curtains that you see here are what's going to go up to this door so that you can't see into the family room that way. Here's where I put the desk. I tied all the curtains back, As you can see, there's still plenty of room on both sides of the desk. Same desk from the house. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and keep it because it's not taking up as much space as I thought. Back here, I think I 86 the idea for the bookshelves, and I just like this look better. The lamps, and this of course was at the house, and then these are tied back over here as well. Same thing there, and then of course Ron's plant here. And I think I may have showed you this already, the rug from the house as well. And here is where I see, okay, because this door, these doors are rigged up because we had the fish fry and we just wanted it kind of closed. So he hasn't yet put the little stemmy things down in here to, to secure it or whatever. But when this door is closed right here, this is the stationary door. You can open it like it is now to bring stuff in and out, or I can close this one side and only use this door as in and out, right? So once that happens, right here, I even have even more room to come back. Like I'm standing here, right? Carpet is there, as you can see, and then there, right? I have enough room for a nice little couch to go right here. And I'm not worried about this door again because this door stays shut. I won't need to open it except to get something in or out B, which that's, not even a thing. So, couch here, workspace, check, lamps and decor, check. These two will come together when the legs are on. TV will be here. So you will still see some wallpaper on the sides, which is totally fine with me because I still get to see it and enjoy it. But the TV will definitely sit across the two of those right there. And again, those curtains will go there. So this is just where we are right now. And the reason why it's so hard for these legs, because these are not the original legs that go with this, which is probably why it was discounted also, because this little screw here, right, is not big enough for the actual holes that came with the original legs. They're like, it's like literally like this big, like it's huge. It's a huge hole, right? So we're going to, well, Ron is, not me. He's going to Gorilla Glue first to get a good adherence, and then he's going to anchor nails in the back side of it once it's secure, just for extra support, which is why the legs aren't on yet, because we gotta figure all that out. And I still haven't even cleaned it yet. I just took the tape off so that you guys can kind of see the color. So, office, girl cave, workstation, nice and neat and clean. And then, of course, like I said, I tied the shears back. Tied the shears back. Still a lot of light in this space. The sun has now moved over to the west side of the house. And then, again, those curtains will go there. My little area for my couch. And I still have plenty of room in here to just do whatever. Entertain, whatever the case is. Just whatever the case is. And being that that door is not even going to get used at all. That door will not get used, period. Depending on the couch that I find that I want, I may even have enough room for a little small cutesy accent chair over there as well. Because this is not only my workspace, but my girl cave too. It's like, you know, where my girlfriends can come and we can sip some wine and whatnot. And so, yeah, all this stuff. TV, being really careful once I transport that one here. I'm actually meeting a guy today. I got to go back to the penthouse today because he wants to take the broken one off my hands. And I'm so glad for that because, girl, okay. So this is what we're looking like. Let me see what it'll look like. Hold on. Let me try something. Let's do a test run. Okay. Oh, don't mind me. I'm in full-on work mode. Okay. So let's pretend we are. Hey, family. Welcome back to another video. It's so good to see you. I'm happy to have you here. Backdrop. Now, when the TV is there, it won't be so this. Okay. You'll just literally be able to see the sides of it, which is totally fine with that. Let me see if I can turn you this way and see what backdrop we have this way. If I turn you like this would be the backdrop to this side here, right? But here again, it'll be a couch here, so you'll see some little cutesy pillows and yada yada yada. You still have walk around space, still access to the patio, still floor room here as well. And then again, I may just stick a little accent chair right there to just complement with this little tiny table. This is a nice size room, and I know you guys don't get it here on camera. I love everything about it. I'm so glad though. I'm so glad. And now that Ron has seen this right here, he's like, dang, I really do wish I had swapped out with you. No sirree, buddy. This room is perfect. All the natural light is literally right outside the patio. I mean, I have access to a lot from this room, and it's big. It's big. This is perfect. Perfecto. I'm on the hunt for my couch. And then I thought about it too. I said, you know what, Sharon? Okay, you went and bought these two credentials, which I absolutely love them. But you do know I still have the one the TV is on now at the penthouse, the white one. I still have the big gold credenza that was almost the color of this when I bought it in my bedroom, right? I still have a mirrored chest. I still have both of those mirrored and wood stands. Still have those. We tried to think of so many ways that I could bring my sectional here. I was just gonna ace this room and just put the sectional in here and just turn this into a second den for myself. But then I thought, no, that's dumb. So then we thought, well, let's see if it'll fit in the wine room. Too big. It's way too big to go in there. And then I was going to take that sectional and put that one in here because it's smaller. We can't even swap it out with the sectional in the room right behind me because, again, it's way too big and the direction of it doesn't fit. So now I must sell my sectional as well. The sectional has to go. Those two mirrored wood nightstand things, those will go. I have I don't know though. I have a solid mirror. It's in the office now. The one I moved from, the one I moved to in the penthouse, it's completely mirrored. It's really pretty. No cracks, no nothing. And I'm trying to think in here where I could put it that it would look really nice. Have nowhere to put it in here either that I can think of. I have that's it. And then my little gray couch that's in my office right now. I thought about putting it here, but it's just too small. I need things to scale, like I need these big credenzas to do what they do. That little small gray couch is just a tiny bit too small, but I can make it fit in the master bedroom as a sitting area because the master is a really big room. I might can use it in there. So I'm not gonna ace that just yet. I'm gonna measure it and then measure the space upstairs and see if it'll fit there, right? And then of course my bed, nightstands, all that jazz, that'll come here. Washer and dryer, that'll come here. My table will come here. And that's it. That's literally all I have left at the penthouse. That's all I have. So when he gets off work, he will go ahead and put these doors on completely and cut them because they're too, since we've added the floors, the door scrapes the floor. It's too tight basically, so he now has to trim the bottom of the doors off, which is also why he has not actually secured them yet. So once he does that, then I can go ahead and hang up the curtains over here on this door here, and then the legs for the credenzas, slide them two suckers together, TV. I have a 75-inch in my bedroom. Well, we've already figured out how we're gonna swap that out upstairs. He'll put his TV in the man cave. My 75 will go in to the bedroom. And then my 86 will go here. And then there's an 86 literally right behind me in this room right here. Oh my God, it's a bit much. It's a bit much. But I love how it turned out. It's so beautiful. It's calming. I feel creative in here. I feel like, I know I'm looking busted, but it's okay. Sharon's been working all day. You know what I'm saying? Then I got to drive all the way back to the city when the man called me to get the scrap TV, which I'm so thankful because what else am I going to do with it? And I literally just took a chance today and called around just for a second opinion, even though they've replaced my TV. I just wanted to see. Do you know I was getting quotes of $3,000 to replace the inner screen on that flat screen? Nowadays, you can buy 3 flat screen TVs for the price of $3,000. Like, negative, no. So he's gonna come and grab it. I'm glad I don't have to deal with it. That's done. And then I'll be reposting the stuff that can't come here because we have no room for it at all. So that's that. It's good to see you. I know you probably thought, girl, but hey, I need to redo my hair. My roots is getting super dark. Anywho, I just wanted to show you where the room is so far. Once it's complete, TV's up, blah, 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 whatever, couch, all that jazz. I will definitely, legs on the thing, blah, 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 all that stuff. It's just all a work in progress. And I don't to overwork Ron, even though he constantly tells me, Sharon, I don't mind doing it. This is what I like, yada, yada, yada. I still feel so bad when he is project after project after project. But I did this, except for the 4 wall, he did that. But everything else, I did myself. So I'm very proud. I'm very, very proud of, you know, the progress so far. I'm tired. I'm really, really tired. So I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video, whatever it might be. I don't know, y'all. I'm on the hunt. Couch, possibly an accent chair. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with all those bookshelves. Just when you think you're downsizing, you don't have much, you still got a lot of stuff. Still got a lot of stuff. Even when you think you done just rid yourself of everything, it's still a bunch. It's still a bunch of stuff. I just don't know at this point. But anyway, I'm glad to be here with you. I'm glad you're here with me. I love you to the moon and back. And I am going to catch you. What time is it? 4 o'clock. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video because your girl's tired. I might get a nap in before that guy call to come get the TV. Anyway, catch you in the next video.